420,000, that's how much I want to earn in February 2022. And you can be part of this journey. You can be part of every earning, part of every step that I take, and part of every report that I'll give out for every earning that I'll make in February. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, if you are interested in making money alongside myself for the whole of February, then go ahead and click on that plus sign, because I'll be serving those reports here on TikTok and on YouTube. And since TikTok takes a long time to serve my videos to you, I'd recommend that you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe so that you don't miss any report that we'll give for the whole of February. So how do I intend to make 420,000 Kenyan shillings in 28 days? Okay, we'll do it in two ways. We'll do it through blogging and vlogging. Under blogging, we'll do affiliate marketing and do Adsense, okay? Under vlogging, we'll do affiliate marketing and do the YouTube partnership program, okay? So each day, we will need to make at least 14,000 Kenyan shillings. And how do we make 14,000 Kenyan shillings? By using 7 different passive income streams, okay? These passive income streams will be AdSense, YouTube, affiliate marketing for different products, but they should be 7 in number. In other words, if we are working with 7 income streams, then it means that we only need to make at least 2,000 Kenyan shillings per income stream that we'll be working with. For example, we'll need to make 2,000 shillings with YouTube, 2,000 shillings with the AdSense, and 2,000 shillings for each of the 5 programs that we'll be working with. Again, if you'd like to be part of this challenge and make money alongside myself in February, then go ahead and click on that plus sign, swipe left, click on my YouTube channel, subscribe, so that when we do videos, when we do reports, and when we talk about the programs that we'll be working with over the 28-day period, you will be the first to get notified. Until next time, bye-bye. My name is Geno.